going on, everybody? Well, today we're going to try to get the wiring done on the water truck. And while the water truck's in here, it makes a perfect platform to put some more lights up. So we're going to put some more lights up because this is a dark area in the shop, and once we get that done, then we will start the wiring. We've got some rear lights that's going to go in here facing this way. We got some back here. We already got some up there. They're taped up right now. And put new running lights, turns, or basically rewire the whole back half of this truck. What's going on, everybody? So basically what I'm doing is I'm soldering all these connections, and I'm just a very firm believer in solder. They work so much better than the connectors, because the connectors corrode over time, and just you end up having to come back through and fix them. I mean, I just used butt connectors on this last year when I put this bed on, and towards the end of summer, we were already having problems with the connectors corroding because this truck sees a bunch of water. It gets water spilt all over it all the time, and it's city water, and who knows what they put in the water, because we haul water for pools with this thing, and we dump water out on the bed all the time, emptying the tank and stuff. Yeah, as you can tell, you can see my little monkey there helping me out. My little boy May. His name's Maddox. Call him May. He's my little buddy. He's always in the garage with Daddy. He loves being out here and checking on me and making sure I'm doing everything up to his standards. But yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoy. Get this truck wired up and get this thing back on the road. That's going to be a wrap for tonight. As you may have seen in the video, another guy who's in here, that's one of my employees, Tyler. Finished. He hung 2 more lights and strapped the wires to the ceiling that I didn't do, and we got a little bit done. I'm just trying to get this done in between what I do during the day, but we have side markers right here that we're going to have to put in. And we got our first reverse light up there. We got one more here dangling that we will have to mount up. We got wire and it loomed up to here. We got our other wire here for this side marker light. And then we got another light back here that we're going to have to do. And then we got tail lights and some more reverse lights we're going to do back here. A whole bunch of running lights along this back side. And then we got to go back up this side and do all the runnings and reverse up this side. The only thing I'm trying to think right now is this is 3/8 plate with C channel in the back. I'm thinking about cutting that out and doing 1-inch plate because in the future I might end up towing with this. This was kind of originally I did it, and the welding shop said 3/8 plate would be plenty strong enough. They didn't have inch like I wanted, and I'm starting to really second guess myself here. So that's going to be a wrap for tonight, and tomorrow we will be back at this at some point. I'm going to jump in here. Let me know what you guys think about the 3/8 plate. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I don't feel like that's strong enough. And I got C channel behind it too. I don't know, can't remember what size C channel it is off the top of my head, but I just don't think that's going to work. I didn't end up going to the metal shop to pick it up. I had one of my employees do it, and they said he told him what he was doing or what I was doing, and they said, "Oh yeah, this would be fine." Well, I kind of really strongly disagree, and at this point, I think I need to get some 1-inch plate in there and cut it out and weld it in there, because I do plan to maybe pull some dozers and stuff with it in the future, get a little bit bigger trailer for that, and I definitely don't want any problems. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks. Basically what we're going to do here is these are, don't mind they're perfect on YouTube, one of my favorite channels, but taking these, going to clean them up, throw a coat of black paint on them. I know it won't last, but it'll at least look better than what they do now.
Alright guys, it's official. I have rounded up the one, the only Officer Hoover. Technically we're in the parking lot on the other side of the road, but this video is for you guys. We're going to go over some tips, tricks, the do's and don'ts.
Man, let me tell you, YouTube is full of a bunch of awesome people. But if you haven't checked out Perfect, check him out. He's got one of the best YouTube channels, in my opinion, around. Wealth of knowledge, great operator, just great all-around guy. Absolutely love watching his stuff. Prime example, I couldn't figure out why the turn signals wasn't working. When you drop the steering column down, you got nothing. Raise it up, you got turn signals. So we got something in the steering column we're gonna have to fix. One turn. Right is, I believe it's probably figure out where the running is on that. Basically what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and mount this light so we can get back in here and wire this up, and then we can pull all of this through the frame and bring it up here for our running lights back here. Alright, so basically we got the back wired up, that reverse light under there, that reverse light under there, the right turn wired, and we still have a bunch left to do here, and then we'll be going up the driver's side of the truck. Sorry about that. Camera died. So basically the plan for tomorrow is to get that light bolted up, that light over there bolted up, all the wiring done on the driver's side. I'm gonna start where probably Zach is. He's one of my employees. We're gonna start on the inside. We're gonna pull the seats out and put different seats in. Putting them traditional Super Duty seats in it. These seats suck, and basically in the summer this thing runs from 7 a.m. till midnight, 7 days a week. So want the drivers to be comfortable. Yeah, basically I think the only thing after that, we'll get the deck boards put on. Got a few different ideas on that. We'll just have to play along and see what we're gonna do with that. And then we have a sensor that needs replaced on the motor, which there'll be a whole nother video on that. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for tonight. Almost forgot. Let's put a coat of paint on.